Most of the time, integrations don't fail because of the systems themselves. Sometimes, they fail because of how fields are mapped. One wrong match, and suddenly orders fail. Data goes to the wrong place, or nothing syncs at all. Let's look at the most common mapping mistakes users make and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1: Mapping just by name. You see a field called email on both sides. It feels natural to just connect them. But here's the problem: on the source side, it could mean the login email. On the destination side, it might mean the order notification email. If you link them without checking, order updates might go to the wrong place. The solution to this is always to check the sample data in the API Manager first. Make sure you know what the field really means before you map it. Mistake 2: Forgetting modifiers when needed. Sometimes the way data comes from the source doesn't match what the destination needs. For example, on the source side, you may have a single field called name, which holds the full name, for example John Smith. On the destination side, the field is first name, which only expects John. If you map them directly, it won't work the way you expect. That's where modifiers help. Use them to join, split, or format the fields. And always test them in the preview before you finalize. In this example, we're formatting the first name. We take the first name from the source, capitalize the first letter, and then send it to the destination in that format. Mistake 3: Not saving after adding modifiers. This one happens to almost everyone. You add a modifier, test it, it works, and then you forget to hit save. When you come back later, your work is gone. A simple fix to this is always save when you're done with modifiers. Mistake 4: Skipping the preview step. Some users run the whole integration test right away. The problem is, if something breaks, you don't know whether the mistake is in mapping or somewhere else. Use the preview mapping feature. Add your sample source data in JSON format, ignore unnecessary keys, and check how the data lands in the destination fields. It saves a lot of debugging time. Mistake 5: Deleting source fields without checking dependencies. If you remove a field from the API Manager that's already used in mapping with modifiers, the mapping area highlights it in red. That means your configuration is broken. Many users don't notice this until the sync fails. Before deleting or changing fields in the API Manager, review your mappings and modifiers. Fix them if needed. Mistake 6: Ignoring data types. Two fields can look related but still be different, not just in meaning, but in data type. For example, on the source side, you might have customer ID stored as text, see 12345. On the destination side, the field might be account number or seller reference, which expects a number, 12345. If you connect them without checking, the integration can fail or store the wrong value. That's why you need to always check what each field really means and what data type it uses, and adjust it with a modifier if needed. Mistake 7: Mapping too many unnecessary fields. Sometimes users map every field, even things like fax number or notes that no one uses. This clutters the mapping and increases the chance of mistakes. Map only the fields required for the business process and skip the rest. These small mistakes can cause big issues in your integrations. But if you check the context, use modifiers properly, save your work, preview often, check data type, and manage dependencies carefully, your mappings will stay clean and reliable. Thank you.